I've lived in Montana for 58 years. We have the cleanest, sweetest smelling air, crystal clear water, beautiful skies during the day, and massive stars at night. We have adventure for everyone, from Glacier National Park to Yellowstone National Park and everything in between. We've got a wonderful winter season with powdery white snow for those who want to downhill ski, cross-country ski, snowshoe, snowmobile. We have beautiful springs where fishing is abundant in our wonderful rivers with crystal clear water in our lakes. What makes Montana's craft beers the best is the best wheat, the best water, the best malt, and the best entrepreneurs you'll find anywhere making the best craft brews. Montana's small towns are authentic. They each have their own historic nature. They've done wonderful jobs in preserving their culture. There's no crowds, it's safe, great lodging facilities, and lots of fun things to do. My family loves the authentic Montana experience. From the mountains in the west to the rivers and lakes that you see in the southwest, it's different everywhere you go, but the people are all the same, friendly, warm, and welcoming. For me, that's what we are. Welcome to Montana.